Can you ever go wrong with a good hair accessory? I think not. Although hair accessories have been trending for the last few years, I've had a love affair with them since I was in grade school. And over the years, I've built up quite the collection. I just love how they add a little extra to your outfit. And while many may equate hair accessories with younger girls, the hair accessories of today are polished, stylish, and luxe. In today's video, I'm going to share part 1 of my girly hair accessories collection with you. Get ready for lots of sparkle, pearls, bows, and whimsical designs. Hope you enjoy! As you'll quickly see, a lot of the pieces I own are from a luxury hair accessories brand called Acccessory. They are based in Paris, and each of their accessories are made by hand. Unless otherwise noted, you can assume the piece is from this brand. This is one of their barrettes from their latest collection. It's inspired by the magic of Versailles, one of my favorite places. I just adore the mauve pink color and the pink pearls. This one definitely screams Parisian chic to me. I don't typically wear a lot of black, but as I've gotten older, I've come around to it a bit more. I am obsessed with the pearl and rhinestone details. I love that this one has larger pearls, and the light pink color is so pretty and goes with everything. I'm sure that you can already tell that I'm a big fan of pearls. I believe that this one was from Bauble Bar. I really love the larger size and of course the gorgeous pearl details with the gold. These were actually an Amazon find, and I'm pretty sure that everyone bought these clips, at least everyone on Instagram. I grew up in the 90s, so these definitely take me back. These two are actually part of a set with the previous two that I showed. I really love the floral design within the pearls. This clip is super modern and elegant. I just love the open square design, and of course I love the contrast of the pearls with the black. This pretty pink pearl clip has that classic 90s shape with a modern update. It's dainty and sweet and looks amazing with everything. This design is also very modern and elegant. I love the unique shape, the neutral color, and of course the pearls. This is a very simple and dainty pearl clip that looks amazing on its own or styled with a variety of other clips and accessories. This is also a clip from their newest collection, and the design reminds me of Marie Antoinette. Plus, it combines two of my favorite things, florals and pearls. This dragonfly clip is so whimsical and absolutely gorgeous. It sparkles like no other, and the neutral color makes it quite versatile. This is a smaller version of the dragonfly clip in pink. I love all the little details. It's so perfect for springtime. This adorable mint green bow was one of my very first from Acccessory. Of course, I love bows on everything, but the color has a vintage charm that I love. This floral clip is one of my favorites. It's such a whimsical design, and I love the contrast of the pearls against the black. This is a lovely little palm leaf barrette. It looks so cute with summer dresses, and the neutral color makes it really versatile. I just adore this dainty floral clip, and if you look closely, you can see that there's actually a floral pattern on the florals. This is another super simple clip that I love. It has a subtle sparkle with some rhinestone detailing, and it looks great on its own or mixed with other clips. This might be one of the cutest clips I own. It's a bunny! The details are incredible on this one, and I love how they combine different elements. And this is the light blue version, which I think is just adorable. I wear a ton of pastels, so this goes with pretty much all of my outfits. This light gray clip is another that combines different elements for a unique design, and it features little pom-poms and flowers. This is one of my favorite seasonal hair clips. It's a Christmas tree with rhinestones and it is so sparkly and perfect for the season. This is another seasonal clip. It's a light pink jeweled snowflake and like the Christmas tree, it's also very sparkly. This is another barrette from their latest collection and I am obsessed. It has sparkly gems in the prettiest light blue, pink, and yellow hues. This is from another Parisian brand called Les Crayons de Victoire. They're known for their floral accessories, but they also have gorgeous sparkly pieces like this as well. This is also another one of their clips and it's one of my very favorites. It's so sparkly and actually has gemstones dangling from it. I've never seen anything quite like it. This clip is actually from Kendra Scott. You may know her more for her jewelry, but I love her hair accessories too. The hammered design is so chic and modern. I believe I got this one from Target. I really love leaf designs in general, so of course I was drawn to this jeweled version. These are from a brand called Etica. They also make jewelry, but I love their hair accessories as well. These pearl embellished hearts are too cute. These are also from Etica. I love the modern circular design with all of the sparkly gemstones. And these are also some of their designs. I love the pearls, of course, and I think that these look really well styled together or with multiple hair clips. When I saw that the jaw clip was coming back, I wasn't immediately on board. And then I saw this pink and pearl version and I was smitten. This is also another jaw clip with gorgeous rhinestone detailing. The neutral color goes with everything and I love that it's on trend but also very classic. And this is a super fun version with a large pearl detailing and a pretty pink color. It's so gorgeous for spring and summer. This is actually one of my original jaw clips from high school. I can't remember where I got it, but I always loved all the pretty gemstone colors with the metal. This is one of my very favorite clips. I'm a hair bow fanatic and I love the unique design with the acetate. The white goes with everything and the sparkle is so nice. This is the same clip in pink. I've worn this one a ton because, well, I love pink. It's the most perfect hue in a classic shape and I love the subtle sparkle. And this is the same one in light blue. Yes, I am that person that has the same clip in 3 colors and I'm totally okay with it. This one reminds me of Cinderella. I don't have many hair combs, but I love this one. I can't remember where it's from, but it's a gold bow and it's meant to accessorize a bun or a high ponytail. This is a hair comb set from Etica. I really love the black jewels. It has a slight Art Deco design that reminds me of The Great Gatsby. This is my absolute favorite bobby pin. I've worn it a million times. I just love the star design with the pearl and rhinestone detailing. I also really love these bobby pins. I believe they were from Chloe and Isabel. They also have that Art Deco Great Gatsby vibe that I love. And I'm obsessed with this set from Les Crayons de Victoire. These are handmade and they are just stunning. Of course, I love that it combines florals and pearls. I love this cute little set from Etica. They have just the right amount of sparkle and they pair well with so many things. I believe that these were from Bauble Bar. They are a larger size, which is nice, and they mix well with other accessories. I believe that this set was from Target. I love having different sets of bobby pins to mix and match, and these all complement each other perfectly. I think that this set was from Etica. These are also in a larger size, and they are super sparkly and mix well with other accessories. This is one of my very first bobby pin sets and is from Anthropologie. I love that each one of them are different and they have an antique look that I adore. This is also another old set from Anthropologie. The design and colors are super fun. I love wearing these during the summertime. This is a floral barrette from Le Conte de Victoire, and it's made of real flowers and it's absolutely stunning, plus it smells amazing. This is a hairpin set from Le Conte de Victoire, and it's also made of real flowers just like all of their other items, and I really love the mix of the neutral florals with the pearls. This is another set from them and probably my absolute favorite. Not only are the florals absolutely stunning, but the colors are so gorgeous. I actually use these for my boho braid tutorial. And this is the first of many scrunchies that I've made. At first, I wasn't so sure about the scrunchie comeback, but now I'm loving it. The silky pink material on this one is so luxe. This is one of my favorite designs. I love the chic black with the pearl embellishments. It's very Parisian chic. And this is a sweet lace design, taking inspiration from my love of vintage. The cream color goes with absolutely everything. This one is made of white tulle and has pearl embellishments and a large bow. It definitely screams wedding, but that's kind of my aesthetic, so it's okay. And this one is so much fun with a sparkly tulle material and oversized bow. I actually have a tutorial up on how to make these scrunchies, so I'll link that. I hope you enjoyed getting a peek into my hair accessories collection. Join me next time to see part 2, where I will be sharing all of my hair bows and headbands. And trust me, I have enough to rival even Blair Waldorf's collection. In the meantime, tell me what your favorite type of hair accessory is in a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. For even more girly content, check out my blog, lizzieinlace.com, and my pretty pink Instagram at lizzieinlace. Talk to you later. Bye.